I say, oh, dogs, you're very impatient. During the last reading for roosters, you were outside yapping. I could physically a real dog, but it's only when I finished I realised it was your energy. I can sense the impatience in you. So I'm here. It's your turn. So let's ding the bell. This is the second new moon in the year of the metal rat. Whoa! They were big. They were ready. That's why you're impatient. You're ready for this. You are ready, dogs. Ready for a roll around the park. So, let's find out what the messages are. This is a Piscean moon, but when you get this reading is when you're ready for it. Although I suspect you're all ready for it right now. I really can sense your really here, really in the space, really loud, louder than any of the other signs have been. So, metal rat, what do you have for dogs? Because they're ready. The dogs are ready for your message, rat. So, what's going on for the dogs? What's going on for the dogs? What's going on for the dogs? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can see why you're impatient. This is beautiful, dogs. Beautiful energy, dogs. So, I often have to feel and wait for the cards. These are just going wah at me. Firefly, you are so ready, but it's not happening. And that's making you really impatient, okay? Don't be impatient. It's coming, it's coming. It's really coming, and it's coming fast, and it's coming loud. So this is you ready for this transformation. It's so funny because when I did your reading for the year, it was like you didn't want to embrace anything. So what's changed? Is it just that you're ready now, dogs, for something beautiful to come in? Firefly, see, like you're tooting horns to get people out your way. There's impatience. I love it. This is that burst. You're ready. You're firing up. You're getting ready. And then you have fire. You have tiger, high priestess energy. This is incoming messages. Look at how she's staring at you. She's challenging you. Cat and the dog. Don't take her on. Do what she says. She's big, fierce tiger. So, this intuition. Oh, you see now I'm hearing from your last reading, there was that real sense of chomping at the bit. This is, and you are, and that's good because you want to get on. Last time it felt like you didn't, but you do. Because you're heading, you want your freedom. You want that intuitive look. You want the high priestess to move inside your form. There's two moons. You want that shining from within you. And this is what will earth you, dogs. Really bring a grounding to you. And a horse is like running free, galloping, zooming all over the place. And that's what dogs are about. Dogs are about that freedom. Now, they're the starting block, and then you just have the most beautiful energy. You've got cosmic egg. Now, dragon had a cosmic egg. And Dragon were having a bit of a problem with their cosmic egg because they weren't willing to get on with the work. But this isn't what I'm feeling from you. You are getting on with the work. And I already know instantly what's inside your cosmic egg is dolphin spirit. So this is so beautiful. Actually, let's have dolphin come out the cosmic egg. Okay? Dolphin is the light worker. And that's why you can't wait for this esoteric hidden knowledge that Tiger has to be earthed inside you, because you're impatient to be this wonderful emotional light worker, dogs. That's so lovely. It's so, I just want to put my hand over that card, those two cards, and just steal your energy. So, dogs. Let's have some more information, dogs. There was a bit of a spillage, and that was too many cards, I fear, but I'm going to keep the two that stayed on the table. And I'm going to lose the ones, I can't lose those ones because they're part of the story. Okay, so. Beautiful, beautiful dogs. It's so beautiful, dogs. It's so beautiful, dogs. There's a massive sense of consecutive movement. So it begins with, this is the energy that was there in your reading last week, this discomfort at moving forwards. You are moving forwards. This is the Four of Cups, the Five of Cups. The Four of Cups in this set is Mekla sitting down and holding all these emotions that you don't want to look at. But the interesting thing here is the Five of Cups is usually someone standing and there's 3 cups all spilt out, and there's 2 cups behind that the person can't see. In this one, it's a far more beautiful message. You're looking down into that emotional darkness that your firefly is trying to burst out. But Mekla-Rat's already transformed your emotions if you just look up to your High Priestess Tiger energy. She's back. This is, you're gonna just download so much beautiful hidden understandings and epiphanies, dogs. It's and it's the Ace of Swords. This is the Sword of Truth. This is absolutely clarity, divine clarity, being brought to you by the cosmos, by the divine feminine, by the intuition. There's so much knowledge and information coming into you to bring you into a rebirth. You know, this is the colouring, the rainbow is here, the rainbow is inside. This is what starts your new life. Very gently, that impatience needs to drop. As this esoteric information comes in, it will bring you a sense of clarity and calm, and that then allows you to step forwards gently before running wild as horse with all this information. You need to give yourself time to allow all of this wonderful light work information to weave itself into your body, to become something. And it's the Nine of Cups. This is that calm energy, the lines forming, to just settle all of that down so gently, so beautifully, so that you can see the clarity that the High Priestess Tiger energy is bringing down to you, and to allow the 10th cup, that completion, to form, because it's that 10th cup coming. It's there, it's weaving in, that actually opens your cosmic egg. You know, your cosmic egg is already, I can see there's cracks already forming. It's ready. It's so baked. It's not back there in the distance. It's right here. This cosmic egg is really on top of you, birthing, but you do need to download some information. You do need some more stuff. So is there any other advice, briefly? Any other advice? Just, it's so here, it's so waiting to be birthed. Mother of Wands, blooming of new emotions, new ideas, new passions. All of these things that the High Priestess is offering you is here now with you. And then you have Six of Swords. Again, you've got like double rainbows. You've got so much beautiful energy coming your way, dogs. It's all happening. It's all underway. So let's go to this other animal spirit deck and see what other messages are coming to you from spirit. Dogs, this is lovely, but don't be impatient. Okay, so wow. So I'm beginning with a reference back to these two cards where you couldn't move forwards. You have Groundhog 3163 or 6331. Yeah, 6331. Let's do it that way. It makes much more sense, I'm being told. Vulture Spirit and Groundhog Spirit. Nothing is wasted. It's time to let go. So these things that you saw, the cups you saw spilled, were spilled for a reason. It was so that you could see some darker emotions, so that you could then let the new emotions sweep in through this download of information that's coming in. And you have 6. So we've kind of got 6, 6, 3, 3, 1. Beautiful lineup of numbers. And Beaver Spirit is lay a solid foundation. This is what you need to be doing. Laying a new solid foundation to release your horse so that you can run with freedom. Okay? And then you have Whale Spirit. Trust in the mystery, the great mystery. Trust in the great mystery. You know, this is referencing the High Priestess energy, bringing in new information, but you've got to trust that mysterious information to integrate it into you. And you have another dolphin. This dolphin spirit has the weirdest phrase. This and that are true. This and that are true. So this is your sword of truth. It's saying that you're being given all this new information to process, and this and that are true. There's so much of what's coming through to you is truth, but you have to process it to make the understanding of that truth, dogs. It's seriously, Such beautiful energy. I just might sit for a little bit longer when I've turned the phone off, rubbing my hands over all the beautiful cards. So dogs, kill the impatience, calm yourselves down, settle in, and just allow this new information, to flow towards you, but trust yourself. Trust that this and that are true. Dolphin, cosmic egg, it's all just delicious wishes coming in, emotional fulfillment, double rainbows. Whoa, dogs, enjoy this moon, wassail.